Jefferson and St. Louis. Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Clinton County, southeastern Madison County, in southwestern Illinois until 6:15 p.m. Saint Rose around 6:20 p.m. Other locations in severe thunderstorms include Becky, Maryland. This includes Interstate 64. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Beckmeyer. This includes Interstate 64 in Illinois near exit 34. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.